Hello everyone, I am Golden Ashwini from Rogini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari district. In this video, we are going to see what is meant by directing, and in motivational theory, we are going to see one theory, Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Okay. So after completing this video, the students will be able to understand what is meant by motivational theories and what are the use and what is the function of directing, and they can also explain Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So first of all, we already know that the five functions of management. Okay, so this is most important in the management subject. So five functions, what are that? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. The fourth function is directing. Okay, without directing, the above three functions, that means planning, organizing and staffing, are waste. Okay, so the directing is very important. So directing is defined as the process of instructing, guiding and inspiring human factors in the organization to achieve the organization objectives. It is not only issuing order and instruction by a superior to his subordinate, but also including the process of guiding and inspiring them to work effectively. That is the directing. So directing is a key for a managerial function. So what are the elements? So directing includes these elements. This is very important for directing. So communication, supervision, motivation and leadership. These four elements are very important in directing because it is a way to guide the people and inspiring the human factors in the organization to achieve the organization objectives. So next, motivation. Motivation is nothing but motivation is the process of attempting to influence others to do your will through the possible of reward. This is according to Edwin B. Flippo. Okay, this is the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Because actually this triangular is split into five sections. First one is the psychological needs. Okay, we are going to see from the base. Psychological needs, safety needs, then social needs, third one is the self-esteem needs, then the fifth one is self-actualization. So in Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory is one of the most popular theories of the motivation in the management. This theory was developed by the eminent American psychologist Dr. Abraham H. Maslow, and Dr. Maslow was a pioneer in the proper classification of human needs. Some of the what are the futures? We can say that human likings are innumerable and never ending. If one liking is satisfied and the another liking emerges in that place. So adult motivates are complex. So no single motive determines the behavior. Rather, a number of motives operates at the same time. Then human needs form a hierarchy. Lower level needs must be at least partly be satisfied before the higher level needs emerge. So in other words, a higher order needs is essentially satisfied. So satisfied needs do not motivate the workers. Only unsatisfied needs induce the man to work hard. So various levels of needs are interdependent and overlapping. We can say higher level needs can be satisfied in many more ways than the lower level needs. Okay, so in psychological needs, first one is psychological needs. Psychological needs are the biological needs required to perceive the human life. These needs include needs for food, clothing, shelter, and likewise. Okay, so Then the second one is safety needs. Once the psychological needs are satisfied, after is safety, right? So the safety or security needs become predominant. So they include what are that protection from psychological danger, fire accident, etc., and economic security also. So friends benefits, health insurance. Then desire for an orderly, predictable environment. Likewise, so safety needs are shelter, job security, retirement plan, insurance. Likewise, these are safety needs. Then third one is social needs. Social needs, after the needs of body and security are satisfied, then the sense of belonging and acceptance become predominant in motivating behavior. So these needs are for love, friendship, exchange of feeling and grievance, recognition, conversation, belongingness, companionship, etc. So social needs tend to be stronger for some people than for others, and stronger in certain situations. Then the next one is self-esteem. Esteem needs, you can say esteem needs is those which relates to one's reputation. Okay, so one's reputation needs to for status, recognition, appreciation, and deserved respect of one fellow, right? So self-esteem, recognition, reputation, and dignity. Then the fifth one is self-actualization. So self-actualization needs, so these needs are also called as self-realization needs. For example, a doctor thinks that he is capable of saving the life of a patient. A teacher thinks that he is capable of giving best teaching to students. So what a man can be and he must be. Self-actualization is a growth need. Okay, so above five needs, the first three needs, what are that? Psychological, safety, and social needs. Because these three needs are regarded by Maslow's as lower level needs. Okay, so these psychological, safety, and social needs are lower level needs. Then the remaining two, what are that? Esteem and self actualization needs. So these two are regarded as a higher level needs. Okay, the lower level needs can be satisfied by compensation. Likewise, the higher level needs are satisfied through the participation in decision making process, delegation of authority and responsibility, more freedom, self development, etc. Likewise, okay, this is our Maslow's hierarchy needs. Next quiz question for who are listening. Just try to solve it. Okay, first question is, Madeline always feels like she is never included in a group activities or social events. She has become depressed and lonely. So according to Maslow, which category of needs has not been fulfilled? So first option is social needs, second one is self actualization need, third one is psychological needs, fourth one is safety need, and fifth one is esteem needs. Just to find out. Then the second question is, according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, when all of the psychological needs are met, people tend to become concerned with which of the following? The first one is social need, second one is self actualization need, third psychological need, fourth safety needs, then the fifth one is esteem needs. Thanks for listening.